because this procedural way, it would be done by automation technology. Tama? Magle-level up naman tayo pag the work is being handled already by automation. Okay? Can I ask our guest to share? She is actually my batchmate. We were classmates in your, just like in basic accounting. She worked in the US. Ngayon lang siya umuwi after 30 years.
Yeah.
Perez, can you share about the accounting in the US before you retired? She's already retired.
Me, ako. Sige. Good morning, everyone. Naka-video pala ako.
She has worked in the auditing firm for 4 years.
Yep.
And then, the government, right?
Yep.
The company. Okay, share with us.
Oh, sige. I started with SGB and Company. Diba? Lahat ba kayo, accounting majors? Yes. So you are all future CPAs, diba? Yes. So, sige. At plug ko lang SGB kasi si Mrs. Dacayo hindi SGB. Yeah, punta siya dun sa Karibal. Okay. So hopefully after you graduate, do good in the CPA board exam. Kaya pay attention sa sa tinuturo ni Mrs. Dacayo kasi very, very important 'yan. And then during your CPA board exam, that's the time when the CPA firms like SGB, Cunanan ka no? Joaquin Cunanan. Bago na sila, may name na sila. And other four big. Yeah, so they will be competing kung sino yung mga cream of the crop. So it's really very important to have high grades. Talagang pinag-aagawan nila yung mga cum laude, summa cum laude. Yun yung pinag-aagawan nila. Pero kung hindi kayo graduate na cum laude like me, okay lang din yun. Basta mag-apply kayo na maaga. And start your career with the top CPA firms. Maliit ang sweldo, mahirap ang trabaho, but think yourself like a diamond. Diba yung diamond, bago maging makintab, it will have to undergo a process, which is what those CPA firms will do to you. Then you will come out shining. Diba? But anyway, I just stayed there 4 years, almost 5. Then we migrated in United States. I worked. Anyway, I passed the CPA board exam here in the Philippines first. And then I also passed the CPA board exam sa California. So, double CPA. Double certification. If you don't pass the CPA board exam, don't give up. Take and take. Try until you pass. Kasi hindi ko rin na-pass siya first time. Conditional. So, I took it again until I passed. So, don't give up. Yun ang suggested. Don't give up. That's my main message to you. Tapos, in the United States, I worked sa uncle ko, CPA firm, for 10 years. Siyang nag-petition sa akin. Then I worked for the government account, for the government. So I'm more on the government accounting, which is kind of different. So that's the advantage of this course. Be proud of what you're taking. Kasi ang daming opportunities. You could have your own CPA firm. You could work for the government, you could work for the hospital, you could be a professor like Mrs. Dacayo. There's so many opportunities. And don't let AI take place, take your job. That's why level up. You always have to have continuing professional education. Work hard. So, and thank you for having me here. Ayan, naka-video tape ako ngayon. Thank you to Mrs. Dacayo.
Actually, Jobel, basic accounting,
Basic accounting, ano bang klase to? Yeah.
Oo, ilan kami, nagchichismisan, isa nagagalit yung professor, kung nakinig kayo. Because our professor before, ang age just ask according to
Last name.
grades.
Oh, the grades.
Sa likod.
Natataas.
Sa likod. Oh, ayun, alphabetical na. Gusto mo ba yun? Yung mga babago. Para doon mas makikinig. Pero minsan, kasi nga, minsan yung mga nasa likod kasi hindi na marinig or may, kung alam na nila, di ba? Kasi, pero you have to make sure, may mga strategies kayo. Okay? Minsan nagkwentuhan kami, pero it was your first time to, after 30 years, okay, from the United States, na bumalik sa Pilipinas.
Diba?
Sinuro ko siya kahapon na tapos sa SLU, ibang-iba na. Kaya nga, tapos ibang-iba na. She has 3 sons, I have 3 daughters.
Babalik! Kahapon ko palililigawan si Mrs. Dacayo. Mukhang sinagot na ako.
There are certain things, kaya kayo, you build connections with your classmates. Kasi
Yes.
you don't know later, it will happen to your own groups. Kaya nga, di ba, ang dami-daming mga reunion movies. Minsan when you catch up with your old friends, pero we do keep in touch even with the circles. Dami-dami ng pag-usapan. Ang ganda. Ako, I don't have anything to do this morning. You attend my class.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, I let you be my guest lecturer. No, I will just be a student. Oh, para-recite. Ako, 1/4 sheet of paper.
Pasado na.
Thank you, Ma'am Jubel.
Thank you.
For the gift of pens.
Yeah. Thank you for having me in your class. Sige. Upo na ulit ako.
Okay. So, yung mga importanteng sinabi ko kanina, those are the